Police arrested him for DUI on the opening night of the legislative session. Today, Senator Brandon Smith's attorney argued the charge should be dismissed. Smith represents the 30th District in southeastern Kentucky. As Kristen Kennedy tells us, Smith's attorney says his client shouldn't have been charged because of a state rule that dates back to the 19th century.
The judge Thursday morning. They asked that he dismiss Smith's recent charge of driving under the influence, citing Kentucky Constitution Section 43. That section states the members of the General Assembly shall, in all cases except treason, felony, breach, or surety of the peace, be privileged from arrest during their attendance on the sessions of their respective houses.
He should be held accountable no matter what job he does.
Senator Smith's request doesn't sit well with Mothers Against Drunk Driving.
Everyone who lives in the state of Kentucky, everyone who lives in the United States should be held accountable if they broke a law.
We looked up Section 43. Legislators ratified it in August 1891. They revised it a month later, long before cars became the main mode of transportation.
He should be held to a higher standard, to tell you the truth, instead of a lower standard. By that law, don't even make no sense. If he gets out of that, that'd be a bunch of bull.
Voters in Senator Smith's hometown of Perry County don't like his request either. Justin Noble, a defense attorney in Hazard, calls the argument fair.
It's a good argument. I don't know what will happen, but it's a fair argument. If he was actually, in fact, either going to legislative session or returning from legislative session at the time of the stop, it could very well be a valid argument that he should be legislatively immune from prosecution.
In Frankfort, Kristen Kennedy, WKYT.
Smith and his attorney didn't want to talk about the case today. The senator is on multiple committees, including Appropriations and Revenue and Natural Resources and Energy. He's the vice chair of the Transportation Committee.